Hey, what's up? It's Mr. J with SciOnTheFly, the place where learning makes sense. Are you a student who's recently been given the task to come up with a state project, but you don't know what to do, where to go, or how to get started? If so, I'm here to help. Now, I'm not going to do this project for you, but I do want to help give you enough information to help get that ball rolling so you can take it, run with it, and do a great job on it. I have a state report graphic organizer that I have for sale on my Teacher Pay Teacher website. If you think that might be something you want or need, I'm going to put a direct link for it in the comment section down below. Now, this video is specifically tailored for students who are doing their project on the state of Alabama. Alabama became the 22nd state to join the Union on December 14, 1819. The original governor was a guy named William Wyatt Bibb. We know today that the capital of Alabama is Montgomery, but that wasn't always the case. In fact, Alabama's original capital was a place called Cahaba. The state flag consists of a white background with a crimson cross of St. Andrew. This diagonal cross on the flag is called a saltire. The state bird is the northern flicker. The state tree is the long-leaf pine tree. The state flower is the camellia. The state nickname is the Heart of Dixie. And the state motto is a Latin phrase that I don't even want to try to say, so here's a quick video.
Audemus jura nostra defendere.
This phrase means, we dare defend our rights. I like that. Hopefully this is enough information to help get that ball rolling, take it, run with it, and do a great job. Good luck, you got this. Until next time, it's Mr. J with SciOnTheFly, the place where learning makes sense.